I'm holding a bird on my arm.
Hey.
Hey, leave it alone.
Hi.
What?
Stop.
She's like, no, please leave me alone.
Alright, I don't even want to get close to that bird.
She's sick. You need something to drink?
Hold her up. Walk away from there. Come here. Come here. She's not going to go anywhere. She's going to stay on your shoulder.
As long as she can see people, she won't squeal.
She screams blood and murder when she don't see nobody. Nobody, you want
Yeah,
milk
we
or
heard
water?
that earlier.
Nobody. Want milk or water?
No.
Okay.
Okay. You want on the shoulder? Yeah, I see. You want my hood off?
No.
She's sick, honey.
She's
I
like,
can't give you
I
that.
don't want
Or
my
you'll get sick.
That's cool.
So I have my hood on, she just tried getting it off.
She did. She tried to take it
She
off.
was like,